In this video, we show the remote signature module with OpenKM signature pin, an example of a handwritten signature. We start with a set of documents, to one of which we add the key data group remote signature. We insert the email of the person who must sign the file. You will receive a notification by email. We activate the security pin. We select the location of the signature within the document. The language will correspond to the language in which the beneficiary uses OpenKM. Once the email is sent, we can check how the user receives the corresponding email. The notification message text is configurable. This version of OpenKM handwritten remote signing includes a security pin which the signing user must insert. They will receive another email with a corresponding code to access the signing module. In OpenKM, we can check that the file's remote signature data set is complete. It shows the date the notification was sent, the sign-in date, and even the device's IP from which the document was signed. We may also archive more information, such as the device's GPS location, among others. In the History tab, we verify that OpenKM maintains complete traceability over the entire life cycle of the file. Now we will show the behavior of the remote signature module from the mobile interface. This is a visualization of the OpenKM remote signature module from a mobile device, usually a smartphone or tablet. The user previews the file. If you wish to sign, click on the Sign button and the module will display the signature space so the user can insert their handwritten signature. As we can see, the module confirms the insertion of the rubric and shows the updated version of the document with the signature inserted. For more information, do not hesitate to contact us.